UMLA ke Shillong North ba Adelbert Nongrum ulaong ba ki Jingker reling haki bynta jong ka Khyndailad kilong pynban kum ki Jaka Jaiñ ki bala pynlip rong ya ka jingitynnad ke Jylla khamtam naba katei ke Jaka kadei ka pdeng babun ki nongwan jngohkai ki poi halor kani Symbud Myntri ba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulaong ba yakane kim shimla yo jingtip hendrei uong pat ba unza batha ya ki Ophisar ban pet ba kum kini ki jingja ki nomja shu.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Reply to star question number 91. A. No, sir. The railings are installed for the safety of the pedestrian. B. Does not arise in view at A above.
Your supplementary question, please, by Adelbert Nongrum.
Sir, I do not expect the reply through Honorable Minister. To you, Honorable Speaker, such a shock reply made by Honorable Minister. This is a serious issue. Let me seek a clarification from Honorable Minister. Okay, if you they're not aware about what question which has been put, so let me remind. I would like to get a clarification from you, Honorable Minister, that on the 22nd October 2024, that was recent months, 3 months back, all the stretch in between the Hotel 5-star and the assembly, they were putting, they were dry, the clothes has been dry all along the stretch. That
Please
was happening in
the
yes.
Time is very short.
It is very true, sir. I'll come to the exact question. Then the second, incident. It was happening on the 16 October 2019. They're exactly in the circle of the Khyndailad, Khyndailad, which erected with a long high mast. So it was really an eyesore for the state, especially this location. It has been from time to time visitors from all across has been visited. So what will be the message from all these visitors? In regards with this things happen. I would like to get the clarification from you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why the reply is no? Because till today there is no official complaint has been received by the department. That is the reason why I reply no. Anyway, I know the concern is important. I would like to assure the member from tomorrow I will instruct my officer. I won't allow anybody to hang clothes on the bed.
No, that was we are expecting. So if that is the case, I may ask the Honorable Minister, what make you concerned to pass that order, please?
Because you raise these important issues today, you brought to the heart. That is the reason it made concern, so that's why I have to find it now.